Hey everyone! You want to make your offers irresistible? One of the best ways to do this is by using a countdown timer. It's a simple trick that creates excitement and urgency because people can actually see the time ticking away. In Kajabi, you can easily set up your own countdown timers for anything you want. New products, special deals, or limited time offers. You can put them on emails, sales pages, landing pages, or even your websites. So today, I'll show you how to do it step by step right inside Kajabi. It's super easy and it is a surefire way to get people to take action. By the way, if anyone here is new to Kajabi or thinking about switching to it, check out the special affiliate link below this video and you'll get a 30-day free trial. Normally, if you go to Kajabi's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within the first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who wouldn't want that, right? Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. These are worth over $900, but you're going to get them for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. And when you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you. So thank you so much for using that. So with that in mind, let's dive into Kajabi. Head over to the Marketing tab and click on Events. Now, before we get into building the timer, it's important to understand that we need to create an event first. This event will be linked to your countdown timer, whether it's on our website, in emails, or even in email sequences. Let's say you're launching a new product and you have a sales page for it. You want to add a countdown timer to this page to create urgency. To do this, you'd go to your website tab and you'd choose the page that you want to edit. Let's say the landing page. Open up one of those pages and then add a section. Look at the event countdown option and click Add. You might notice that there are two blocks. The first one is for the title of the event and the other is for the time. So let's save our page and head back to the Marketing tab and Events. Since we haven't created an event yet, we'll click on the Get Started. Give your event a title like New Product Launch Countdown. Then we'll need to set the end date for this event under When does the event occur? This is crucial. It's the date and time when your promotion, deal, or event ends. In our product launches example, let's say your launch week runs from the 1st to the 5th and the deal ends at midnight on Friday. Input this end date here. In that case, it would be the 6th at 12 a.m. and click Apply. Kajabi will give you an overview of your event, and you can add more details if you're running an actual event. Before our countdown timer, make sure your time zone is correct, the end date is accurate, and your title is clear. Once everything looks good, click Save. The countdown timer will be live and ticking down to create that sense of urgency. Okay, let's go back to the landing page where we placed the countdown timer earlier. Remember, we couldn't see it before. Well, now we'll be able to. Scroll down to where we put the timer and click on it. Select Event Countdown again. Then click on Countdown, and this time we'll choose our newly created event under Select Your Event. There it is. You'll see it displayed, but we can do even more. Enable countdown action and choose whether you want the timer to be minimal or boxed. I prefer the box look. You can also customize the colors of the timer to match your brand or website theme. Change the background, the numbers, the labels, whatever you like. If you're using this on a sales page for a special offer, you can duplicate the timer and place it strategically throughout the page. This helps reinforce the urgency and catches the eye of your visitors. Don't forget to add some text around the timer to explain what's happening. You could say something like, offer ends at midnight on such and such a date, or highlight what they'll miss out on if they don't act soon. Format the text so it looks good, and consider adding some extra information about the deal itself. This countdown timer is a fantastic way to visually communicate the urgency of your offer and encourage people to take action before it's too late. You can also add this countdown timer to the same event that we created inside an email campaign. So we'll look back to the marketing tab. We'll go back to the marketing tab and head over to the email campaign. Click on the new email campaign, then select email broadcast. Let's say you want to keep a very simple template. This could be like a simple daily video template that you made. There are a ton of different ones that you can choose from here that already have a countdown timer inside of them, and you can just add your event if you want, or you can build them completely from scratch or with any template. For this, let's just choose a simple text. Put in the title, then create. We'll go over to edit content, and then on the lower part, we can click on the grayed area with the button edit content. Let's say that you're talking about a product launch that you have going on and that you want to add the event countdown timer right here. Click on the Add section, select Countdown, then Add. Select your event from the drop-down, and then here you will have to customize the look and feel of it, like the colors, alignment, background, etc. You can customize it just like before. Play with the settings that you have here, and we can put it at the top, or you can put it down at the bottom as well if you want to duplicate that timer, or maybe you want to have some text and then you kind of have it a little bit later in the text. It's up to you. Then you can click here on this button below the text, maybe get yours now, or just really anything. Or you can customize it in a way that you want. Hit save and go back. When you have your email set up, if you want to have the countdown at the top and the countdown at the bottom, and you're going to be sending out a series of these emails over the course of that week, and you don't want to keep on repeating the process of clicking buttons, so just click Save as a Template and name it something like Event Countdown for whatever product launch that you're doing, and finally hit Create. If you go to the new email campaign to build a new one, click on Email Broadcast again. You'll be able to see that up in your Save Custom Template. You can just click on it, and then you'll have your countdown timers and everything already set up. Just play around with it or whatever you like to do with it. Just so you know, Kajabi doesn't have a countdown timer that starts by itself when someone signs up for something, like a free class or a download. So you can't use it to tell them they only have a few days to decide before an offer ends. Some people think this kind of timer is a bit tricky. I learned this myself when people told me it wasn't a very honest way to do business. If someone sees a deal that's supposed to be gone, they can just sign up with a different email and get it again. It's not a real deadline. Whether or not this is okay is something people disagree on. Kajabi only lets you set up a countdown timer for a specific time and date. Once that time is up, the timer ends. I haven't found a way to create a timer that starts automatically for each person, and that kind of timer can seem like a trick to make people buy things. I think it's better to be honest with customers. I only use countdown timers for special events like product launches. I'll say something like, you only have this much time to get this special deal, and explain what they get. I advertise it a lot for a week, and then the deal is really over when the timer ends. This is a real deadline, not a trick. So be careful how you use these timers. This was just a basic overview of how countdown timers work in Kajabi, how to add them to your emails and website pages, and how to set the right timer for them. All right, so that wraps up our countdown timer tutorial. With Kajabi's countdown timers, you can easily create a sense of urgency and excitement around your offers. Remember, use them ethically for genuine deadlines, and don't be afraid to experiment with different placements and customizations to see what works best for your audience. If you're curious about Kajabi and wondering if it's right for your business, the best way to find out is to dive in and explore it for yourself. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to get your 30-day free trial with Kajabi and access my exclusive Kajabi Jumpstart course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.